Good morning. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Happy Monday. We're going to begin our social studies assignment today with Eleanor Roosevelt and the Universal Declaration for Human Rights. Uh, on Tuesday, we'll be working on the origins of NATO and its relevance in today's world. And then on Wednesday, we're going to do the end of the Cold War, the fall of the Berlin Wall, and the breakup of the Soviet Union. And then we'll be finished with the Cold War. On Thursday, I have a quiz that's going to be based on the Kahoot that you guys have been practicing with. I made some changes in it, continue to practice with that throughout the week, and so that you'll be prepared for Thursday's quiz. Again, just questions I'm going to pull from that. Shouldn't be very difficult. All right, so today we're going to start with Eleanor Roosevelt and the Universal Declaration for Human Rights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where the file is. It's right here in classwork. If you go to Eleanor Roosevelt and the Declaration for Human Rights, you see that we're going to scan and read the profile on Eleanor Roosevelt, which is in this folder. And then we're going to be watching a video of Eleanor Roosevelt, her speech, specifically between 7 minutes in and 10 minutes in. We're going to answer questions on the attached sheet, and then we're going to find a current issue in today's world which really connects to the Universal Declaration for Human Rights. Then you're going to write a paragraph answering the big idea question using your findings above. If you would rather record a 1 to 2 minute video answering these questions, that works too. Just make sure you prep it well and that you're all ready to do that with no problems. So here is the reading itself. It's quite lengthy, but just go through it and just scan it for the information that you need from the questions. That shouldn't be any problem at all. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the questions themselves, which is right here on these documents. You're going to answer them in the classroom folder. Just fill them out here as you go through it. Shouldn't be any problem. And then at the end of this, these questions, there's only, I think there's 8, and then there's like 3 in this video. You're going to answer this big idea question, which is taking into consideration the personal qualities of Eleanor Roosevelt. What skills does a leader need to promote the values of the Universal Declaration for Human Rights? Choose a core principle of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and connect it to a critical issue in today's world. Write out your response and then vocally record a 1 to 2 minute video response. Again, I'm more interested in the content of it, so if you're concerned about doing a video, I am going to make sure that you know that the priority is really to write out the response. Okay? Okay, so let's prepare and do this for today's work, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.